we've been worried about are going to be a little less bad over the next 6 months?
Yeah, I guess a little bit of both. I do believe seasonally we should be very good from now until May, but I do believe we get in some trouble as far as a light recession, probably third quarter of 2023. And the tough month is really the month before a recession hits. And so I think you can play a lot of offense until really May, and it may be the old adage, sell in May and go away, may ring true. But I certainly want to get out of the crowded trade, which is the large cap defensive names, large cap value. That's only down about 2% year to date versus the large cap growth names down about 29%. So I want to fish in the pond of the growthier names than certainly the value names.
Growthier names like ON Semiconductor. Why that one?
Yeah, so we were actually invested in Cypress Semiconductor with Hassan El-Khoury. He's been a phenomenal CEO, and they're getting out of a lot of their lower margin sort of commodity-oriented things and getting into things like silicon carbide. That's going to be, Goldman Sachs says about a million electric vehicle batteries are made with silicon carbide, going up to about 13 million by 2030. So the wind is at their back, and he's just done such a great job of improving margins that we like that one a lot.
And you've got one called On Holdings. This is the sneaker maker, aren't they? The Swiss sneaker maker. I got a couple of pairs of their shoes. They're wonderful.
Yeah, they are, and I guess I gave you an on twofer, but this is on as the ticker, and yeah, it's the Swiss shoemaker. You see them a lot in the sort of southeastern schools, if you will, but they're going to have a lot of growth ahead of them. They should grow at probably 50% year over year, but I think they can grow at 30% over the next 3, 4, 5 years, and they're just attacking this $300 billion footwear and apparel market. And I think they've got a really, really nice runway ahead of them. And it's really a very high end. If you look at Nordstrom's numbers this morning, they did well with the luxury and high end, and they kind of suffered with the lower end Nordstrom rack consumer. So I think their consumer won't blink at $125 price tag, and they're just doing a very nice job. And frankly, only been public for a little bit over a year. So here's an opportunity to buy a stock down about 50%.
All right. I want to note that you like Freeport-McMoRan, but I want to turn back to something that I think is an interesting thing. We went through a couple of years where the trade was TINA. There is no alternative to equities. Well, right now, there is an alternative, and that alternative is bonds and CDs. You can actually get decent yields.
Yeah, for the first time in a long time, you can finally get some decent yields in fixed income. We like a shorter term, 2-year Goldman Sachs bond that's basically yielding close to 5%. So that's nothing to sneeze at when you compare it to where the S&P 500 yield is. And if you go back 9 months ago or something like that, the yield was much better on the S&P stock. So I think that's the higher yields are certainly attracting a lot of the dollars from the stock market now. But that's not a bad place to hide in this environment also.
All right, Sandy, thanks very much. Have a great, I almost said Halloween. Have a great Thanksgiving, Sandy.
Happy Thanksgiving, Tyler. Thank you.